We will review Western Digital MyNet N900 Central Router today. This router features Fast Track Plus HD streaming technology with 1TB internal storage. So it is an ideal choice for personal cloud and media server. We will one by one check out the configuration and features. It is a very easy to configure router. You can see the connectivity ports here. In the yellow one you have to hook the internet or WAN line, while the other port can be used for computer to access the same internet or network. Once the router is connected, you have to use the configuration CD that comes in the package and follow the screen instruction to finally set up your Wi-Fi net. As I said that it is very easy to configure this router. You have to insert the installation CD that I have showed you before, and you can see this is the first startup screen. It shows you a set up a new router connection. You have to click on that and you have to follow the screen instruction. First, the setup will check out whether your router is properly connected or not and there is an active internet line, and after that you can move ahead. Now the connection is properly connected. The router has found the PC connectivity and internet connectivity. The next screen will allow you to add a network name for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency. You can add whatever wireless name you want to add here with a password. Click on next. Now on this screen the router will automatically check for new firmware, and this is very important because if there is an outdated firmware you will not be able to use web access or mobile access on this router. So it is necessary that you remain all these options checked and click on next. Now this is the last part of setup. Once the firmware is updated, the setup CD will ask you to install some by default utilities that are provided by Western Digital. For example, the print share application, quick view, NetView and SmartWare. These all applications are essential. You can use them for backup or simply sharing your printer on the Wi-Fi. If you want, you can have them, or you can simply remove the check mark from here. You have to just select everything and click on install. Now as you can see, the setup is over. All the software default applications are installed here. This is for product registration with Western Digital. You can, if you want, you can fill up your details or you can skip this process. It is only for getting some updates from Western Digital, or else you can just check mark on explore my router setting when I click finish, and you can go into the router. Now this is the login page of MyNet N900 Central Router. You have to log in with the default admin ID and password provided in the setup CD. MyNet N900 Central features a 1TB storage, so due to which it is a nice choice for media server. Also it is good for data backup. You can see the storage here. It has an internal HDD which is around 1 TB in space. The router features some kind of automatic backup solution which is done by an application called as WD SmartWare. We'll show you this later on. Also other applications like PrintShare allow you to share your printer on Wi-Fi. Internet security allow you to enable parental control features, and MyNetView give you a small information about your existing network. In MyNetView you can find out a basic information about your existing network. You just have to open the application and click on diagnose. It will scan your network and give you a short information about the IP configuration, about different devices that are connected on a Wi-Fi network, etc. This application will scan your network and give you a short information about the actual connectivity. It will give you information about the IP address and other Wi-Fi devices which are connected, which are online. So it is a quite nice application that helps you to troubleshoot your network if there is any problem with the connectivity. It takes some time to scan the entire network depending on the devices that are connected on it. The scan is completed. To check out what all information this application has collected, you have to click on view report. And this is the log report that gives you information about the current connectivity. It offers you detail about the system information along with its IP and MAC address. So it is a good application to check out the information on any network that is connected with this router. The router has 1 TB storage, so due to which it is a good option for a media server. Also it is a good solution for data backup. As I said before that you can use WD SmartWare application to create an automatic backup. We'll check out the application that are provided with the setup CD. First is PrintShare. This application allows you to share your printer on the Wi-Fi. If the printer is directly connected to your computer, you just have to tap on it and you have to enable it on the Wi-Fi network. This is internet security application that allow you to enable and disable parental control. You can create your own private network and add all the firewall rules. To access this setting, you have to log in. You have to create an account on WD Internet Security and Parental Control Policy Management. You have to create this account separately, and it is managed through an online URL. You can see the URL here. www.internetsecurity.com. Your account is registered on this website, and on that basis the settings are configured in the router. And this is WD Smartware. The application that I had said will be used for taking backup of your data on a Wi-Fi or on a LAN network. We'll check out what all features this application provides. As I had said that MyNet N900 Central has a 1 TB internal storage. So you can use that storage for continuous data backup. You can see the router here and the PC here. You can choose the hard drive from this location, and this application automatically divides all the data in different forms. For example, it keeps the document separately, it keeps the mail file separately, movies separately, and everything can be backed up inside the router hard disk. First, the device, you can see the drive is locked. You have to unlock it by providing the default login access of router. You can see the drive is unlocked now. If you're not able to find the password for this, you have to go in the dashboard, you have to click on setup storage, and you have to configure it back again. You can see the internal storage here. Click next. In this page, you have to add the workgroup name and a username and password. You can modify the username and password, and then you can access the drive through Smartware. Now to create a automatic backup, or just to copy a file in the router, you just have to use this backup tab. Now this is the backup section of MyNet N900 Central. You can see my PC here, and you can see the router here, and these are my files which are sorted in different categories, and the same you can see inside N900 router. This is just a mirror copy. This is not the actual data. When you click on start backup, this entire data will be same as it is will be copied to the router hard drive. And if you want, you can switch to file backup, and you can simply customize what you want to backup and what you don't want. You can just put a tick on the file and application, and you can copy that to the router hard drive. This is the retrieve section. A number of times it happens that when the router keeps on taking backup, the existing files are modified, but it has an option by which you can get the old file back, which is modified before. So this is just a simple data backup procedure which allow you to get old files. The settings section allow you to configure the settings of software and drive. You can check out what all information available here. This is the dashboard of MyNet N900 Central router. You can see it give you small information about the existing network. It offers you information about the kind of network frequency which is active. It shows you the password also, the Wi-Fi password, the attached storage and remote access. So the first page of dashboard offers you a small glimpse of a connected network. The second and third tab, which is connect to internet and set up wireless, allow you to create a new connection or new Wi-Fi setup. The setup storage part, I have shown this before also, allow you to reconfigure your 1 TB internal storage. In this, you can enable 4 different type of sharing method. For example, you can click on this, you can simply share the files on a LAN network, and also there are settings available for DLNA, iTunes and FTP. This section allow you to add a Wi-Fi device to the router so that you can modify the settings of the router through that mobile device. It is a kind of a remote access solution. And the last advanced setting give you more information about managing port forwarding or simply enabling and disabling fast track settings, etc. If you find any connectivity problem, you can go in the advanced setting and modify it as per your need. Another important part that we had not yet discussed is about the security section that offer you a Wi-Fi protection and other features. You can manage the firewall, DMZ, MAC filter, parental control from this section. Now we had seen that the configuration of MyNet N900 Central is not at all confusing. The dashboard is simple with all important settings that are needed. MyNet N900 Central is rich in features and ideal solution for home network. There are 2 variants available under this series. The one is regular N900 that is not having any storage, and the second is N900 Central series that has 1 TB storage. The positive point of MyNet N900 Central is that it has a dual band router at the rate of 450 Mbps. There are fast 4 gigabit ports. It is easy to configure. It has 1 TB internal storage and remote access through smartphone. The negative point of this router is that its performance is limited for home users only. It features only a simple NAS storage functionality and the storage is fixed. That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.